Good morning, word study friends. Welcome to This Week in Word Study. This week we are starting a new sort, SJK number 1. Your sort this week has headers that are book, back, ear, hair, and way. And as you'll see your discovery, we have these because some words are made of two whole words and are called compound words. And the word parts in compound words often help you think about the meaning of the whole word. So let's take a look at our sort. As you'll see, we don't have in the sort your headers, so we just have to know the different headers as you're sorting. So I'm going to show them to you now. We have the header book, and a book, as you see, is something, or as you know, is something that you read. But we're going to find all of the words that have book in them. Oops. Let's see, backpack, oh, bookmark. Looks like all of our book words: bookshelf, bookworm, cookbook, and bookmark. And like I said, hopefully, if you know finding out parts of the words, you can find the definition easier if you know parts of the words broken down. The next one we're going to use is back. We have backpack, backtrack, backfire, background, and I think that's all the backs. The next one we'll work with is ear. Ear plug, ear ache, eardrum, earring, earshot, and that's it for ear. Our next one is hair. So we get haircut. We have a hairbrush, hairline, hairpin, and that's all the hairs. The next one is way. So we have a door. I'm going to go off the screen here, off the paper. A doorway, a driveway, a freeway, halfway, hallway, and last but not least, stairway. So here's your sort for this week, and as you can see, you have your answer key. All of the words should be in there. Come see me if you have any questions at all or if they're not in there. Again, your discovery: some words are made of two whole words and are called compound words. The word parts in the compound words often help you think about the meaning, and we'll hope to help you think about the meaning when you're writing your definitions this week. Remember 5th grade sentences in all of your word study work, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great rest of the week and weekend.